Hello big adventurers, welcome to the exciting vlog from our coronavirus lockdown in Serbia, and today we're gonna be hiking in the nature of Ivanjica and Golija mountains. Let's get into the vlog! We are walking near the town of Ivanjica, and as you can see, there are also a problem with deforestation. Even though there are forests with some big trees, there are too many fields and deforested patches in between. Over here we hiked up to the top of Tepreć Hill, which is 927 meters and takes about 2 hours one way from Ivanjica. You can see the 360 view around here, and again, as I said, a lot of deforestation. This is supposed to be the most forested part of Serbia. Animal agriculture requires too much land. Even the forest on the hills has to be cut down.
Tonight is your night, baby. Yeah, yeah. Let your spirit move. Really feel the groove, baby. Moving side to side to side. Are you feeling it? Yeah, you're feeling it, yeah. What a night, a night, a night. I can see you setting free. Let go, leave it all on the dance floor. Yeah.
Another reason why scattered deforestation through the hills like this is bad, because wildlife don't have big enough territory to roam around. So animals like bears, wolves and even bigger deer, they need a bigger territories. People making fields and cutting down forest in the middle of the bigger woods also have to move away from there. That's why basically bears are almost extinct in Serbia, and wolves are also on the verge of extinction.
Moving side to side to side. Are you feeling it? Yeah, you're feeling it, yeah. What a night, a night, a night. I can see you setting free. Let go, let go. Oh, leave it all on the dance floor, yeah. Let go, let go. Oh, leave it all on the dance floor, yeah.
After flying a drone, we took some bigger forest road down the hill, and then we wanted to make a loop around through this nice forest. This time I also started to work out 3 times a week with my upper body. Along with push-ups, I also do pull-ups, bicep curls and shoulder presses. Over here we can see the spring basically coming down under the tree, and I can guarantee you, if there are no trees here, the spring will be dried out. Over here we are next day traveling to Golija mountains. It's only about 20 kilometers from Ivanjica, but the road is uphill and it's in pretty bad condition, sometimes even off-road. Golija Mountains has even bigger problem with deforestation. Most of the mountain ridges are used for animal agriculture. Over here we found a hike in one of the few forested areas that are left in Golija Mountains. We're starting at high elevation level, around 1,800 meters above sea level. As you can see, we are following old tractor forest road here, which is the most hiking path that you're gonna find in Serbia. The single trails are almost non-existent here. Alright, over here I'm flying a drone from the middle of the forest, and as you can see in the background you can already see the deforested hills with some little villages and houses there. But this area on the left that we're hiking still has lots of woods, that's why we chose the hiking path through here. But when looking online we couldn't see any information about hiking paths in Golija Mountains, and we're just lucky to find some path on Maps.me application. I don't understand why Serbian government doesn't invest some money in sustainable tourism and building hiking and mountain biking path here. Instead they're just logging these woods for resources until there is nothing left here. So if you want to explore Golija Mountains or hills around Ivanjica or any other mountains for that matter in Serbia, the best way to do it is by mountain bike. As I said, most of the time you're following path through the woods, it's gonna be a tractor road. So walking it's sometimes too boring, and mountain biking it's more adventurous and quicker. Alright, in just 10 minutes from the place I was flying the drone, we got to this bigger logging road with the machines working here. This is the time where I would really appreciate the mountain bike, as it was really boring to walk on this bigger road. And over Over here we wanted to be more adventurous and make a shortcut through the woods connecting to another big road. But the slope was quite steep with lots of bushes and nettles in the way. Sometimes the shortcut would take you more time than if you went with the normal road. Look at these guys, these are about 100-year-old trees. So imagine it grows 100 years and they cut it down in minutes. That's why you don't see many big woods anymore here, because they cut them all out. Alright, and over here we connected back to the car, making a nice loop. At one point we had to do a little bit of bushwhacking because the road that was existing on our satellite was completely overgrown now. Again, I would never recommend hiking in Golija mountains, only mountain biking. Hope you're enjoying these spring adventures from Serbian nature. The weather is slowly warming up, so stay tuned for more summer adventures. And as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous!